Hey, it's Jen, and here I am back for another episode of A Fresh Perspective on Life, Food, and sometimes business. And so what I want to talk to you about today is how to actually dial back stress. Because my clients that see me, stress is the name of the game. And if you didn't know it, stress causes a rise in cortisol, yes, and insulin. And when those things happen, my friends, forget the sugar cravings. You are never losing weight. You're going to be anxious. You're not sleeping well. Your bowels are affected. It is amazing what stress does to the whole body. So I'm going to talk to you about that right now, and I really hope that it helps. And I always say, if you have not subscribed yet, I have no idea why. Come on, subscribe. Let me help you every Wednesday. That is my job. And honestly, if you haven't been able to tell by now, if you're not new with me, I love doing this. It's just years and years of my own struggles. And I have figured it out, and my addiction is under my control. And I look and feel great at, drum roll, almost 50. Okay, so get this. How do I dial back stress? There are a bazillion things I could teach you, but for today, this one has changed my life and that of all my clients over the last 19 plus years. You ready? It's one easy step. I need you to control what you can and let the rest go. I'll say it again. Control what you can and let the rest go. And I don't, piece of paper. Take a piece of paper or draw a line. Control, can't control. Literally, this is what I do. What I can control, I write right here. What I can't control, I write right here, and I give it up to God, the universe, whatever you believe in. But this right here, the controlling, I do something about that. I take one action step in the direction of what I want for each one of those. And what I can't control, a lot of us are getting all stressed out about things we just cannot control. We cannot control how people react to us. We cannot control if we are liked or not. We cannot control if someone's going to like a gift we gave them. We cannot control how people are going to react. I find that people either really like me or they don't. And it's okay. I have made peace with it. Why? Because I have a personality that's not for everyone, and I am very straightforward, and I speak my mind. And if you're not a truth seeker and you don't enjoy someone being very honest with you, you really don't like me. Some people like to live in their delusional world. I don't judge it, but I am a woman of no excuses. I really am not a complainer, and I don't enjoy being around people like that. And so I've learned what I can control is who I hang out with. What I can't control are family members and people that I love in my life and how they're going to react to me. Yes, I can control myself. I can't control others. And so I invite you to make a list of what you can control. And the things we can't control, I need you to start making peace with them. We can't control how our spouse reacts to us. We can't control our spouses or our partners. If they think different than us, if they save or spend different than us, they have different values than us. We can't control that. And a lot of times high cortisol and high stress, because we want things to change that are out of our control. And so I have literally learned to let go of those things. It is a muscle. I teach it. It's a muscle, right? I teach it in the Freedom Club. Control what you can and let the rest go. And this one exercise that I'm talking about, it's going to change your life. And so if that's you, God bless. Happy January, because, it's almost, I love it. Almost into month 2. I love when months change. For me, it's always a fresh start. So if that's you as well, yay. And try what I said, report back. I would love to know. All right. Have an amazing day. I will see you soon. And if you're still with me and you have not subscribed to my channel, come on. Let's do it. All right. Have an amazing day.